Welcome to the thing of downstairs wrestling. But today, we're going to be doing it outside now. So we're going to be calling it outside wrestling. Okay. So, but first, we're not having a match right now. But this guy named Tomas Clark.
Tomas Clark, 101.
Yeah, he said we should have
match lock.
Yeah, master lock challenge. Okay, so we're gonna see who gets out of it the fastest. Okay, you want to be the judge?
Ref.
Okay, who's gonna be the judge? Whoever gets out of the fastest. It's not a ref. We're doing a challenge.
It's a ref.
No, we're doing a challenge.
It's a ref.
We're doing a challenge, so he's the judge.
I like calling him a ref.
Oh, it's the judge.
I like refs.
Oh, it's the judge.
Okay, master lock.
Okay.
It's a ref. So.
That's not a good angle.
No.
Yeah,
Trampoline is so far away and I never see it. Who's the competitors today? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Thank you. Alright.
I still want to see if I can get out fast.
We have a winner!
And that's Master Lock Challenge.